The house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is a small bird species that is found throughout much of the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. They are small, stout birds with brown and gray feathers, a distinctive black patch on their throat, and a brownish-gray cap on their head. Male house sparrows are slightly larger than females and have a more prominent black patch on their throat. They typically weigh between 1.5 ounces, 40 grams, and have a wingspan of 7, 9 inches, 18 to 23 centimeters.